If you're under 100 subscribers, watch this now. The first 100 subscribers, that's the hardest part. Not 1,000, not 10,000. Because right now, nobody knows you. You post for hours and get almost nothing. You keep checking like, did I gain one today? But listen carefully, I'm only doing this for the next 24 hours. If you can hit 100, you can hit 1,000. Most people quit before that. Don't use this sound unless you actually want me to find your video, because I will.